Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to take a look at two phones I picked up on eBay. These I bought individually but from the same seller, so just shipped them together like they usually would. Let's take a look here. Here we have a Motorola, I can't remember the number on it, T720, I guess maybe G for GSM, is a singular device. SIM card looks a little, there we go. Cricket in there, it's going to pull that back in. Put the back cover back on. I don't remember the antenna being that short on the other one, but this one does turn on and work. Or maybe. I guess it is. I don't know what it is with the Motorola phones, but they just seem to give me problems today. So there you go. It's working. Front display shows time, incorrect date, all that good stuff you can imagine. Fully charged battery. And then we have this one I don't think has a battery. T-Mobile, Samsung, SGH T629. Indicator is red, so it probably doesn't work or has some kind of issue possibly. We'll definitely take a look at it. Looks to be in decent shape. That's the SD card slot, and then the charging port's got the cover broke off in it, it looks like. Definitely a little rough, like I said, but actually, you can see it bends right here because it's cracked like right there. So it's definitely been through a little bit. I'm gonna take it apart, try to straighten it out if we can, see what we can do with that. Definitely has been opened a lot. But quick little unboxing for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.